good morning to you. Welcome to another Trade of the Week video from Platinum Trading Academy. We've had a couple of really nice swing trades on the AUD USD currency pair, which I'll show you in due course. But before I do that, apologies to any existing clients or viewers that watch this on a regular basis. But for any new clients, this is what we call our trading floor. Our clients have lifetime access to. You'll find plenty of articles on here. Trades for the week on the 5 major currency pairs that we trade, and as I come down further, you've got all the fundamentals for each individual pair. But as I mentioned, I want to concentrate on the Aussie this week. So this chart was produced for our clients last Monday. That's pretty good for the week. I want to concentrate on this first red resistance and supply area. As you can see, clearly marked up from the start of the week. This is the resistance supply at the 38 fib, around about the 64.50 level. It was a retracement from the high from the 31st to the 12th candle, as I've clearly put on there, as you can see. And we'll see how it played out. But also as well, I want to concentrate on this support and demand area from our fibs from this retracement there. So let's go to the chart, see how this panned out this week. As you can see, look, it's literally come there, kissed it and fell away. Absolutely fantastic swing trade, as I clearly identified at the start of this video from our trading floor at the start of the week. And look, it's come off some 175-80 pips, and it's come straight to a really nice support and demand area. You could reverse your position and took another 100 odd back the other way, but I'll show you a little bit more in detail how that triggered and what we call our algorithm. And this is how we combine our system together. So as you can see, the other day it's come literally kissed our sell zone on that 64, come within 5 pips, hasn't it guys? 64.45 as regard to that 64.50 I showed you on the major chart, and there you go, look, it's fallen off about 180 pips. We actually teach this in our one-to-one mentoring sessions with our full-time traders. We teach you how to lock in profit, so don't worry about that. And also as well, as you can see, it's come straight into a buy area, buy zone, around about that 61 fib, hasn't it? And it's reversed another over 100 pips. At the moment, you can see it's selling off from our algorithm there. So 2 fantastic trades there, guys. Listen, even if you took 50 each way, 100 pips for the week from being really disciplined and patient, waiting for the market to come to you. Even on a £2 or £3 a point, you're talking £200-300 in these testing times out there. I know many of you obviously stuck at home, not working, so that'd be a really nice little tonic for the week, wouldn't it? If that's something that interests you, you can go to our website, platinumtradingacademy.com. You'll find courses on there, information on strategies, blogs, videos, webinars. If you click on here, guys, it's the free Forex consultation red tab. One of our members of staff will get back to you, give you all the information you need. We'll give you a more in-depth presentation if that is something that interests you. Anyway, guys, stay safe, have a nice weekend, and we'll see you next time. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.